Introducing a new way to interact with your ice machine. Scotsman's ICELINQ mobile app simplifies your experience to ensure intuitive operation, cleaning, and maintenance for maximum uptime. To connect via Bluetooth with any Prodigy Elite unit, press the Bluetooth button on the front panel of the machine. A flashing blue light will now indicate that the machine is available to connect. Find your machine in the app's machine list to pair and visit the machine dashboard. Here, you will have instant awareness of the machine's current status and operating mode. In the tiles below, you may also see important notifications for maintenance and cleaning. Many of these notifications also serve as helpful shortcuts to quickly navigate through the app. From the home dashboard, you can use the bottom navigation pane to visit the machine settings menu. Here, you can start and stop ice production, control key machine functions like initiating manual harvest, or triggering drain sump, and adjust purge settings. When it's time to clean your machine, head to the Clean dashboard to start a guided cleaning. Once initiated, you can view required supplies and proceed through the interactive step-by-step guide, complete with checklists and instructions for a more efficient and thorough cleaning. Scotsman's ICELINQ app also empowers service providers and end users alike to quickly and accurately diagnose and service their ice machine. In the service dashboard, you can view and troubleshoot errors in real time, clear active errors, access error history, reference cleaning and settings history, and initiate test mode for a more precise diagnosis. If additional help is needed, you can easily locate a service or parts provider based on your current location. You can also visit the Resource Hub and Machine Information menu to conveniently access unit-specific warranty information, parts lists, manuals, and more. Download the Scotsman ICELINQ app on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store.